Hello everybody. Today we're going to read clothes, all different types of clothes. Let's get started. This is a shirt. And here are some pants. This is a hat. Sometimes they call this a bucket hat. Here are socks. And you have some nice shoes here. And a jacket. A jacket is not a coat. A jacket is a lighter version of a coat. And here are some mittens. These are called mittens, not gloves, because mittens don't have any fingers except a thumb. Okay? That's why they're called mittens. And this is a dress. And here are a pair of jeans. And a skirt. Here are a pair of boots. These look very, very warm. These are great boots for the winter. And here is a coat. Notice how much thicker this coat is than the jacket, because this is made for winter. And this one is a sweater. And here we have a pair of pajamas. Pajamas is something we wear to go to bed. Here is a raincoat. We use this to keep ourselves dry when we're walking in the rain. Here is a pair of sneakers that we use when we want to run. And a bathing suit. I know you know what we use this for. That's right, to swim. Here is a pair of shorts for when it gets hot outside. And here is a t-shirt. T-shirts are very popular in the summertime. And here is your underwear. And this is a belt. You wear them to help keep your pants from falling down. And here is a pair of rain boots. These are perfect when it's really raining. And they go great with your rain jacket. See that? Isn't that nice? And here are a pair of tights. And also, we have a pair of earmuffs. These will keep your ears nice and warm in the winter. And do we have any more? A pair of sandals. Yeah, we use these in the summer, so our feet don't sweat as much. And do we use this for the summer? This is a scarf. No, we don't. This is for winter to keep our neck warm. So now you know about all different types of clothes for all different types of seasons. All right, take care. Ciao.